This evening in Primetime News, state to partner with farmers to save crops impacted by Tropical Storm Raphael.
Bogwalk residents want improvements to emergency alarm system in the gorge.
And fisherman recounts rare disease at sea which left him wheelchair bound. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kelisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Kelisha, Wigton Wind Farm is broadening the company's focus to make it a fully renewable entity. I'll tell you about that and more later on in the financial week.
And to tell us what's happening in sports, here's Spencer Darlington.
Thank you very much, Gia. Well, the Sunshine Girls captain and the leading goal shooter has withdrawn from the squad for the upcoming Horizon Series against England. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what safety measures do you utilize during landslides and rock falls?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.